Tell me if you leave cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm with it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Secret in the middle of the night. I don't let you see cause I put it down right for babe. I can put you on a flight. You know that a nigga and you can take your life, oh babe. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody but you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody that you shower and now you're afraid, little babe.
Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour of the house. This is outside. Then once you go inside, here's how it looks. Here's how it looks. Let me tell you guys this for right now. When we booked the Airbnb, it looked so big in the pictures until we came in, and we were shocked to see how small it is. Like, the kitchen is super tiny, and I was like, you know what? These people best believe they're gonna get a bad review from me because it was unacceptable. Because the whole family is here, and then literally we're like on top of each other, and we spent so much money on it. On this Airbnb, and it was like too late for us to get another one, so we're just gonna have to make it do what it do. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, so over here they have a little decoration. So they have brown sugar, they have some whatever crackers, and some soda, I guess another salt cracker. They got coffee pot, they got coffee, they got some water. Let's see what they have in here. So in here they just have a little bit of dishes to use. Little dishes in here. At least this work. What's in here? Here they have the blender and some extra little utensils. I could take that shit off. Here in the freezer and shit in here. Turn that shit off. Over here we ain't got shit in here either. Turn that shit off. Y'all, let me show y'all. The fucking stove is so damn small. Look. Like, this Airbnb was such a disappointment. But when you looked in the picture, it looked so pretty. And it was like, oh my gosh, this is it. We was like, this is it. This is definitely the home for our vacation. And it wasn't. It was not the home, y'all. Well, we're gonna make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we have the family here. This is the laundry room, supposedly. They don't have shit in the fucking laundry room. This is the washer and dryer. Still don't make no sense to me. And this is the sink, the mops and stuff like that. They have this and all that stuff in here. So yep, now we're gonna go ahead. So I already showed you guys, this is literally the living room. That's really all the living room is. The dining table, and in the kitchen, super small, nothing big, nothing major. Light, my luggage, the TV, and then I'm gonna take you guys into the bedroom. Like I said, it's nothing major where I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so exciting for me to show you. Yeah, but you know, I'll just show you guys anyways. Look at the floor, y'all. Like, who the fuck made wood floor in a fucking shower, bro? Like, come on, make it make sense, y'all. Like, y'all gooks. But anywho, this is the toilet room. Woods, you know what I'm saying? The bathroom, or the toilet room, whatever the hell you want to call it. What else I'm going to show you guys? This is the sink. Very disappointing. Like, bro, who does that? Like, why do they have this as wood? Like, this was the fucking... Like, they rub us on this Airbnb. Like, bro. They rub my house. Big time. Over here is another TV. It's a closet. You ain't got shit serious in there. There's some extra towel and nothing serious. I feel like they only charge us so much money for this shit only because of the view. Like, bruh, make it make sense. Again, like I said, we have the whole family here. And then y'all probably seen outside. Y'all probably seen outside already, but anyways, I'm still gonna show you guys because at nighttime it looks different. I can open this one, show you guys. I'm still in the bedroom, so you can always open the window if you like, or if not. And this is the night view. Y'all probably seen the view already during the day from like previous video. You know what I'm saying? But at nighttime it's pretty cool. It's pretty chilly tonight, and it is my. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and we are on top of the world and enjoying this view. Literally, I think that's the only good thing about the whole Airbnb is the fucking view. Like, we literally pay so much money just for the fucking view. But like I said, we just gonna make it do what it do. You feel what I'm saying? Because we already spent so much money on this damn Airbnb to, like, it's already too late anyway to do anything. So we're just gonna have to do it. Like I said, I'm just showing you guys this from the bedroom. I'm gonna close this right here. And then I'm gonna take you guys outside. Here's that little couch. I guess it's supposed to be something that still don't make no sense to me, but who cares? This is the balcony. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. Like, bro, nothing locks in this fucking house beside the front door. Like, I understand we are high up, but bro, why is everything fucking open? But anyways, this is the balcony. They have this little shitty old rusty stuff here. They got the little tree over here. And then you got these people down there. And my legs shake whenever I'm up here because I'm scared of height. And I'm just trying to face my fear and then just come outside to record for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this little house tour. I can't really show you guys the other bedroom because my mama's in there and some of the family members they're in there also, and I don't want to invade their privacy, so that gonna have to do for now. So yeah, I hope you guys just enjoy this video and leave you guys leave what you guys think about the Airbnb, because I ain't digging it. Because I spent too much money on it. It was far too much money for what we got. Like, we spent too much money on this damn place. But like I said, we can't go back. It is what it is. We just have to deal with it for now. And yeah, that's pretty much it for what is this? So y'all, this is it for today's video. I'm about to go ahead and close off right now, only because, oh, here's the dining table. I'm only gonna close off right now only because my mom, she's listening to her Christian music and I don't want to be copyrighted, and they're also playing some other music in there. So like I said, guys, it was not what we expected, but like I said, we're gonna make the best of it, and I just hope you guys do enjoy this video. You know, yeah, so make sure you guys go ahead, click like, click share, and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Yet again, welcome to Renee's Family and Friends. We're over here, we want to keep it positive, only no negativity, and I hope you guys just, you know, just enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Got nobody just with you right now, but the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I